The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, by Dr. Joseph Murphy, is a foundational work in the self-help genre, focusing on the extraordinary influence that the subconscious mind has on every aspect of our lives. The book blends spiritual wisdom with scientific reasoning to offer practical advice on how to harness the power of the subconscious mind to achieve success, health, and happiness. Key themes and concepts. The subconscious mind as the source of power. Dr. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind is a powerful force that governs much of our behavior, thoughts, and actions. Unlike the conscious mind, which is analytical and logical, the subconscious operates on feelings and beliefs. By influencing the subconscious mind, we can alter our reality. Belief and the law of attraction. Central to the book is the idea that belief is a potent tool. What you believe, your subconscious mind will accept as true, and it will work to make it a reality. This is closely related to the law of attraction, which suggests that positive thinking and belief will attract positive outcomes. The role of affirmations. Dr. Murphy advocates the use of positive affirmations as a way to reprogram the subconscious mind. By repeatedly affirming what you want to achieve, you can plant these ideas into your subconscious, which will then work to manifest them in your life. Visualization and mental imagery. Visualization is another key technique recommended by Murphy. He advises readers to vividly imagine their goals as already achieved. This mental imagery helps to embed the desired outcomes in the subconscious, making them more likely to occur. Healing power of the subconscious. The book also delves into the concept of the mind-body connection. Dr. Murphy suggests that the subconscious mind can influence physical health. By feeding the subconscious positive thoughts about health and well-being, individuals can promote physical healing and vitality. Overcoming fear and negative thoughts. Dr. Murphy provides strategies for overcoming fear, doubt, and negative thinking. He emphasizes that negative thoughts are powerful and can lead to undesirable outcomes. By replacing them with positive thoughts, you can change your circumstances for the better. Practical applications. The book offers numerous practical applications for using the power of the subconscious mind, including improving relationships, achieving financial success, and enhancing mental and emotional well-being. Dr. Murphy emphasizes that these techniques can be applied by anyone, regardless of their background or beliefs. Conclusion. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind is a guide to unlocking the immense potential within each person. Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings focus on how positive thinking, belief, visualization, and affirmations can shape your reality. The book is considered a classic in self-help literature, offering timeless advice on how to live a more fulfilled and successful life by tapping into the power of the subconscious mind.